In this video, I'll break down my top 7 electric skateboards based on my personal experiences and which ones I've found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 7th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best electric skateboard and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. Let's get started. Number 7. Kuroma SYL20. This board is perfect if you want something eye-catching and capable. With its glow-in-the-dark sandpaper and luminous deck, the Kuroma SYL20 turns heads even at dusk, while its 90mm shock-absorbing wheels make riding over rough pavement, curbs, or cobblestones feel smooth. That means less vibration in your joints and a more comfortable ride for longer periods. It's also got serious power. Twin 600-watt brushless hub motors let you tackle 25-degree hills and reach top speeds that let you actually move with city traffic or have fun downhill. So whether you're commuting up inclines or just tearing down streets, this board keeps up. Battery life isn't bad either. With a 4,000 milliamp-hour pack, you get up to about 16 miles on a single charge, which is enough for long rides or daily errands without constantly hunting for outlets. The control is user-friendly. A wireless remote that lets you go forward, reverse, brake, accelerate, and with 4 speed modes, you can start slow if you're nervous and ramp up once you gain confidence. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. J-King H2B. If you want a lighter, more portable board that's great for casual cruising or city streets, the J-King H2B shines. With its dual motor setup and solid battery, it hits a top speed of about 16.7 miles per hour, which is brisk without being scary for many riders. For someone using it to get around the city, that speed means you can zip past traffic snarls or cuts through paths that others might avoid. Riding comfort is enhanced by a deck made from bamboo plus maple, a combo that gives you flex, so bumps feel softer but still enough stiffness for control. The non-slip waterproof surface adds grip, so when the road is wet or slick, you still feel stable and confident underfoot. Control is simple. Remote handles acceleration, braking, direction changes. 3 speed modes let you start gentle and level up, and because it's UL certified, safety is built in. If you're looking for a lighter board that still delivers serious fun for spinning around town, the J-King H2B is a great option. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Uditer S3. Want top-tier performance and flexibility? The Uditer S3 is built for riders who want high speed and long distance. Its big advantage is the removable battery design. You can carry a spare battery and swap it in seconds, which means you're not limited by one battery range. Double up, and you're out exploring or commuting far longer without stopping. With a top speed around 28 miles per hour, it's fast enough for thrill seekers but still manageable with care. For those who want adrenaline without sacrificing utility. Charging time is also generous. With dual chargers, you can cut full recharge down significantly, so downtime is minimal. If you only have one charger, no problem, you still get a good charge in a reasonable time. That's huge if you ride daily and don't love waiting around. For someone serious about electric skateboarding, the Uditer S3 blends performance, comfort, and clever features that make everyday riding more fun. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. Backfire G2. If what you want most is a reliable companion for city rides and hangouts, the Backfire G2 nails it. It gives you about 12.5 miles per charge, which means you can ride, stop for coffee, explore a bit, and still have juice to head home. Not so long that it's bulky, but enough range to feel free. The riding experience is polished. Smooth acceleration and braking thanks to its high-quality ESC, electronic speed controller. If you've never used an electric skateboard before, this gives peace of mind. No jerky starts or sudden stops, everything feels predictable. That's especially good in traffic or crowded sidewalks. Handling is responsive with dual 400-watt motors that offer stable power without being overbearing. The remote is also solid, easy to use, and gives enough precision for controlling speed in different situations. If you slow down for pedestrians or need extra control on downhill, this board listens. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Meepo Campus Vive 5. For those just getting into electric skateboarding, the the MEEPO Campus V5 strikes a sweet balance of fun, safety, and simplicity. Its compact 26.7-inch deck makes it super easy to carry, store in tight spaces, or bring into classrooms, work, or transit. That portability means you're more likely to ride rather than leave the board behind. Speed is beginner-friendly, up to about 15.5 miles per hour, which lets you get a sense of thrill without feeling out of control. 4 speed modes via its remote means you can gradually build your confidence. And the UL 2272 safety certification adds peace of mind, both during riding and charging. The board offers a range of 8 to 10 miles per charge, enough for short commutes or fun after-work cruises. For heavier riders or those wanting more power, the V5 series gives options later, but the Campus is perfect if you want something manageable to start with. All this makes the Campus V5 ideal for teens, beginners, or pretty much anyone wanting a dependable entry-level electric skateboard. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. J-King H2S. If lightweight portability is your top priority while still getting electric boost, the J-King H2S might be your match. Weighing in at around 8.8 pounds and featuring a compact deck, it's one of the easiest boards to carry, perfect for commuters, students, or anyone who often moves between places. When your board is light, riding becomes more about fun than logistics. Its speed, 12.4 miles per hour, and range, 5.2 miles, aren't going to dominate any downhill, but they are more than enough for short commutes, quick errands, or casual rides. It gets you moving without demanding constant charging or large battery bulk. The waterproof rating, IP64, and non-slip surface give confidence when roads are damp or slick. Those are real-life conditions, not ideal studio tests. Controls are intuitive. Remote handles acceleration, braking, forward/backward, with 3 speed modes. Beginners will appreciate starting easy. Also, even without the motor, you can ride like a regular board, which is handy if battery dies or rules restrict motor use. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. VMAX X4. At the top of the list is the VMAX X4, and for good reason. This board gives you serious all-round performance. It blends speed, range, safety, comfort, and design in ways few others do. If you want one board to cover commuting, weekend rides, hills, or even rougher roads, this is that board. First off, power and hill climbing capacity. Dual 550-watt hub motors, able to conquer 30% gradients, so steep roads won't slow you. Top speeds around 29 miles per hour give you room to push limits or overtake traffic when needed. At the same time, its battery, about 216 watt-hours, delivers 13 to 15 miles in realistic riding situations, so you're not always chasing a charger. Ride feel is refined. The deck uses maple plus fiberglass for strength and foot grip, plus anti-collision pads and tail lights for safety in low light. The wheels are large, shock-absorbing, and anti-skid, so uneven pavement, cracks, or small debris don't ruin the ride. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best electric skateboards you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.